there's Uno here. In this video, let's familiarize ourselves with the hammer. Alright, so this is how a hammer looks like. It looks like an umbrella. It has a small body. It has short or no upper wick. It has a long lower wick. It appears after downtrend. It can be either green or red. It is a reversal pattern. Let's spot some hammer in the following charts. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be updated every time I post a new video.